In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync with Notion automations. To get started, open Notion and navigate to your bucket list dashboard page. This is the page where you will set up an automation so Notion can run a small workflow for you in the background. Automations are helpful because they can react to changes in your workspace and then perform a follow-up task automatically, which saves time and keeps your system consistent. Once you are on the dashboard, look for the Automations area on the page and click the highlighted Automation section. This opens the Automation Builder, where you can define what should kick off the automation and what should happen after it starts. If you have not used this panel before, take a moment to notice that it is generally organized into a trigger first and then one or more actions. Next, click New Trigger. A trigger is the event that tells Notion to begin. For example, a trigger could be a change to a database entry or an update on a page. After you click New Trigger, click the highlighted trigger option that appears. This is where you confirm the trigger selection inside the automation setup. When you are choosing triggers in your own workspace, it helps to pick something clear and reliable, so the automation runs only when you intend it to. After the trigger is set, you will move on to what happens next. Click New Action. An action is the task Notion performs automatically after the trigger occurs. This might be updating a property, creating something new, or making an organized change that you would otherwise do manually. After selecting New Action, click the highlighted action option to confirm your action choice in the Automation Builder. As a quick tip, keep your action aligned with the goal of your dashboard so the automation supports your workflow instead of adding clutter. Finally, when everything looks correct, click Enable. Enabling turns the automation on so it can run moving forward. If you ever need to adjust it later, you can return to this same automation area, review the trigger and action, and refine them, and that is all there is to it.